आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 20th August 2020. Here is the headlines of Prime Minister Narendra Modi says National Recruitment Agency will be proved to be the boon for the crore of the youngest and will be the boost the transparency. Monsoon season of the Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly to the commence today amid COVID-19 protocol. Result for the Swachh Sarvekshan 2020 to be announced today. In the tennis summit, Nagel advanced to the single quarterfinals in the Prague Open. Tamil Nadu government has launched the post-coronavirus follow-up clinic in the Chennai for the patient who recover from the virus. The cabinet has approved the setting up of the National Recruitment Agency NRA to conduct the common eligibility test. Briefing for the media yesterday, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar termed it has an historical decision which will be the benefit job seeking youth of the country. He said to fulfill the long standing demand of the youth of the country. In the series, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the National Recruitment Agency will be proved to be boon for the crores of youngsters. The Prime Minister added through the common eligibility test, the NRA will be the eliminate multiple tests and the save the precaution times for as well as resources. Cabinet Committee of the Economic Affairs CCEA the approved the fair remunerative for the price the sugar cane payable by the sugar mills for the sugar season 2020 to 21 at a 285 rupees per quintal for the basic recovery rate of the 10%. CCEA for the approval the one-time relaxation to the Power Finance Corporation, Rural Electrification Corporation, extending the loans for the DIS COMS the above the limits of the working capital caps for the 25% for the last year revenue under the usual DISCOM assured the Yojana. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh has hailed the setting up the National Recruitment Agency NRA an historical decision of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said the NRA pave for the way the transformation and the reform the recruitment process of the central government jobs briefing the media. The result of the 15th decision of the national-wide annual cleanliness survey, the Swachh Sarvekshan 2020 will be announced today, and this year around 1 crore 87 lakh citizens participate in the survey of the 4,242 cities, 62 cantonment borders and 92 towns along with the Ganga River. 129 award will be handed over the top performing city and the state for the today the Swachh Mahotsav event. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has expressed the confidence in the Indian Navy, the preparedness for the meet by any challenge through the proactive response in the deploying its ship and the aircraft. The minister applaud for the Indian Navy for their role and the protecting for the maritime interest of the nation. Addressing the Naval Commander Conferencing yesterday, he congratulated the Indian Navy on the conduct of the biggest ever respiration operation. Operation Samudra Setu. It has contributed excessively to the national interest. Over the 2 million people in the country have recovered from the COVID-19 so far due to the sustained and the primitive and the timely intervention. The recovery rate continued to register the upward trend and stood at a 73.64% yesterday. India registered over the 60,000 recoveries for the preceding 24 hours. which was the highest number for the recoveries from the COVID-19. In a single day, so far a total of the 20,37,870 people has recovered in a country. The case of the fatality rate continue to show the steady decline and strain 1.91%. The eSanjeevani digital platform of the Health Minister has completed 2 lakh consultation, and the milestone was achieved within a short span of the 10 days. Since the 9th of August, when the Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan said preside for over the meet to the commemorated for the completion of the 1.5 lakh and teleconsultation. The eSanjeevani platform has provided utility and easy as for the caregivers and the medical community and those seeking healthcare service in the time of COVID-19. The 3 days monsoon season of Uttar Pradesh Assembly was commenced from today. The authority have made the special sitting arrangement followed the COVID-19 protocol. Taking to the AIR News, the Assembly Speaker for the Hriday Narayan Dikshit at Uttar Pradesh will be the first state in the country to hold the regular monsoon session of the state assembly during the corona pandemic. The Bihar COVID-19 recovery rate has improved to over 75% following for the recovery 3,838 patients during the last 24 hours. Altogether for the 84,578 patients have the recovered so far. The number of the positive cases have reached 1,12,759 with the 2,884 people found infected with the virus. 27,612 patients are recovering the treatment at the various hospitals. The government of Odisha has disciplinary techniques. The committee for the monitor for provide the technical assistance to the COVID healthcare facility round the clock. The senior professor of and the doctor each of the 7 medical college in the state have been formed the technical groups and the guide the doctor and district assigned to them. In Karnataka, record the 8,642 new COVID cases, positive cases for the reported during the last 24 hours, and taking the total report for 2,49,590. Among the new cases, Bangalore city reported the highest number, 2,804 cases. In Maharashtra, highest daily single day the spike 13,165 new cases were recorded yesterday, thereby taking the COVID tally for the 6,28,642. Expressing the concern over the deteriorating the situation of COVID-19, Rajasthan Governor Kalraj Mishra has interacted again with the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and the Health Minister Raghu Sharma. He said asked them to necessary measure for the contain the spread of the virus. Mr. Sharma also told the Health Minister that there was a need to the fresh strategy and deal with the pandemic effectively. Madhya Pradesh has emerged to the dealing the state the implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Street Vendor Atmanirbhar Scheme PM Swanidhi, and PM Swanidhi is a center sector scheme to the facilitate street the vendors to the access the affordable working capital loan for the resuming their livelihood. In the series of Atmanirbhar Bharat, today we bring to a story on the growth in the organic farming in country. India ranked the first number of the organic farming and the ninth term for the area under the organic farming. Sikkim become a first state to have the fully organic, and other state including the Tripura and Uttarakhand have set the similar target. Northeast India have been the traditionally follow the organic farming, and the uses the chemical in the region is reported to be far less than the rest of the country. The tribals and the island, the territories are also bring the returned the continuity their organic cultivation. The government initiated the mission Organic Value Chennai Development for the Northeast region, and the rain lashed the part of Delhi NCR has early hours for the morning bring down the temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. According to Indian the Meteorological Department IMD, the thunderstorm with the moderate to the heavy rain would be continued to occur over the many places across the Delhi in the next few hours. You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India on 20th August 2020 from Preeti Bhosle. We will take on same bulletin on 21st August 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको बताते हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को आपको किस तरह सब्सक्राइब करना है। समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आप सबसे पहले ब्राउज़र खोलिए, या तो आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, यूट्यूब को खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च करिए, सर्च बटन पर टाइप कीजिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। जैसे ही आप ये करते हैं ये आपके सामने खुल जाएगा। इसके खुलने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर साई SAI आपको ये दिखाई दे रहा है। लाल रंग का जो बटन आपको ये दिख रहा है लाल रंग का, इसको आप क्लिक करिएगा। जैसे ही आप इसको क्लिक करते हैं इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। इसके बाद दाएं कोने पर जाइए, दाएं कोने पर ऑल पर्सनलाइज नन, इसमें आप ऑल को क्लिक कर दीजिए। जैसे ही आप ऑल पर्सनलाइज बटन को प्रेस करेंगे, ऑल बटन दबाएं। जैसे ही आप ऑल बटन दबाते हैं आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं। इसके बाद आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन आपको लाल नहीं दिखाई देगा। आप सब्सक्राइब समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साइन न्यूज़ या समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब करते जैसे ही आप करेंगे, उसके बाद समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया और साइन न्यूज़ पर जैसे जैसे वीडियोस अपलोड होंगे वैसे ही बिना देर के आपको ये सारे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आने चालू हो जाएंगे। आप समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की सारे वीडियोस देख सकेंगे। आप इसका लाभ ज़रूर उठाइए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और दोस्तों को कहिए वे भी सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए। नमस्कार।